Yo, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video I take you guys with the best $400 gaming PC for mid to late 2018. This is going to be a budget beast and we're going to be using the Ryzen 5 2400G, which is a quad-core APU. So we actually don't have a dedicated GPU in this build, but yeah, it'll get the job done for modern AAA titles as well as esports titles. But yeah, this is going to be a budget beast, as I said, so you can get some work done, maybe edit some videos. And esports titles, if you're into the world of esports gaming, this is going to be for you. CSGO, Rocket League, Dota 2, League of Legends, World of Warcraft, all these games are your thing. This is the PC for you. So in this video I take you guys with the parts you need to build this PC, and towards the end we'll talk about the performance numbers, the benchmarks, and some future upgrades to make it play the AAA titles that you want to. So that being said, all the parts in this video will be linked below to Amazon US, and those are affiliate links. So if you wanna help the channel out and in turn help me make more videos, go ahead and buy from those. And with that being said, let's get on with the build. So starting off with the CPU, we have the AMD RYZEN 5 2400G. It's a 4-core 8-thread CPU which is unlocked so you can overclock to get some extra performance, has a base clock of 3.6 and a max boost of 3.9, and has the RX Vega 11 graphics. The 11 stands for 11 compute units, and the graphics unit itself is clocked at 1250 MHz. It can be overclocked as well. This CPU is running at a 65 watt TDP and retails for $159. Now to house that CPU, we have the GIGABYTE GA-AB350M DS3H. This is going to be a really good budget AM4 B350M motherboard in the micro ATX form factor, DDR4 memory support, M.2 for super fast storage, USB 3.1 Gen 1, HDMI, and Gigabyte's own RGB fusion if you want to rock some RGB LEDs in your PC. And for $64.99, this is a really good deal. And for memory, we have 8GB of PATRIOT Viper LE DDR4. So 2 sticks of 4GB at 2400 MHz. So that is dual channel memory, which is really good for these sort of APUs and these sort of budget builds. And $88 is the price. I know RAM pricing hasn't come down in a while, but yeah, it surely will once the manufacturers start manufacturing more RAM. But yeah, this is going to do the job in 2018. 8GB should be more than enough, but if you ever feel the need for more in the future, go ahead and upgrade to your heart's content. Now for mass storage, we have the 1TB WDBLUE hard drive at 7200 RPM, 64 MB of cache, and a 3.5-inch form factor for only $44. Now to power this whole build up, we have the THERMALTAKE 500-watt smart power supply, which is 80+ white certified. That means you'll get 80% plus efficiency at all times, and it also has a 5-year warranty. So for $34.99, this is not a bad deal. I'll wrap this whole build up, and to pack in all our components, we have the RaidMax A06WB. This is a really good looking ATX case with USB 3.0 and audio jacks, a clear side panel, really good looks, it's minimal, and yeah, it just gives that futuristic vibe, and it can fit in the beefiest of GPUs, has a lot of space inside, and for $59, really good looking case, and I really love it as well. So that's about it for the parts. Now let's talk about the performance and some future upgrades. Performance should be really good on this PC, but keep your expectations down. Let me tell you, this is not going to be playing all the AAA titles such as PUBG, Fortnite, all the new ones that are out on 1080p. Hell, it might not even play them because it does not have a dedicated GPU. This is a $400 build, and keep your expectations for a $400 build. The best thing to do is to add a GPU in the future, a 1050 Ti or 1060. If you can find a good AMD GPU or NVIDIA GPU used offline, just get anything. This build requires a GPU, at least a good one, to play some modern AAA titles. And other than that, you can upgrade the RAM, you can upgrade the storage, maybe adding a SSD is a good idea. And yeah, you won't need any other upgrades. The power supply will do the job as well, no problem. CPU inside this build can be upgraded to a Ryzen 7 first or second generation. For the second generation, mind you have to update the BIOS. And talking about the general performance in the esports style, CSGO, Rocket League, Dota 2, League of Legends, World of Warcraft, you can get 60 FPS, 1920 into 1080, no problem, medium to max settings. And yeah, as I said, it's going to be an esports beast, it's going to be a budget beast. And thanks so much for watching this video. I enjoyed making this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching as well. Thanks so much for watching. Like if it was helpful, and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification thingy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.